Now the detail is the choice of the people. If people don't want to come forward to take the vaccination, this is up to them. But we are requesting them. We have made the public awareness. We have request many times to people to come forward and to take the vaccinations. Already categorically mentioned about the vaccination. This is a strategy adopted by the deputy commissioner from the different district. Okay, this is not forcing anybody, but they have request people. They have request people to take the vaccines. So the reasons for people are not coming forward for taking the vaccination, it is their individual choice. That is their personal choice of the people only. With the last week, I'm telling you, day before yesterday, we had about almost 16,000. When before we have only 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 7,000. Now it's just jump to the 16,000. People are coming to take the vaccine. Are they very confident and encouraged now? I'll also already motivated them to come forward to take the vaccines.